In the wide deserts of Africa, among the golden sands of Mali, there was a kingdom so rich that its ruler became a legend. This is the story of Mansa Musa, the richest man in history. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring the life of Mansa Musa, the 14th century king of Mali Empire, whose wealth was so huge that it's still talked about. Mansa Musa, also known as Musa I, became king in 1312. He ruled over the Mali Empire, which included modern-day Mali, Senegal, Gambia, Niger, Nigeria, Chad and Mauritania. The empire was one of the largest and richest in the world at that time, thanks to its many natural resources, especially gold. Under Mansa Musa's rule, Mali became a major center for trade in Africa. The empire's wealth was mainly due to its gold mines, which produced about half of the world's gold at that time. This incredible wealth made Mansa Musa one of the richest people in history, with some estimates suggesting he had a fortune of over $400 billion in today's money. But Mansa Musa is perhaps best known for his legendary pilgrimage to Mecca in 1324. Accompanied by a caravan of 60,000 people, including soldiers, civilians, and slaves, Musa's pilgrimage was a sight like no other. He took with him a huge amount of gold, reportedly giving it freely along the way to the poor and building mosques in many of the places he visited. The journey took Musa and his group across the Sahara Desert and through Egypt. It is said that his generosity was so great that it caused a severe inflation in Cairo, which took several years to stabilize. The amount of gold he gave away greatly reduced its value in that region. Mansa Musa's pilgrimage had a lasting impact on Mali as well. Upon his return, he brought with him scholars, architects, and artists, helping to make Timbuktu a center of learning and culture. The city became famous for its universities, libraries, and mosques, some of which still stand today. One of the most famous legacies of Mansa Musa's reign is the Great Mosque of Jen, which is considered as one of the greatest achievements of Sudano-Sahelian architecture. Mansa Musa's commitment to education and culture left a lasting mark on West Africa. Today, Mansa Musa's story continues to inspire. His wealth and generosity are legendary, and his contributions to culture and education are still left in Mali and beyond. Though time has changed, the legacies of Mansa Musa remains a testament to the incredible history of Africa. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments below what historical figures you'd like us to cover next. See you next time.